Hello, what is up YouTube? It's Rodriguez here bringing you another video, which isn't actually about Python, but it's actually about building a 3D printer. Ta-da! It's the Ender 3. Just dabbing it here. Easy. Oh, also, if you this guy right here, $300 per picture without the socks. Just loading if y'all want some of that. So let's open it up. What we got? We got the manual. Don't need that. Okay, so I'm on the floor because there really isn't that much room in my room. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing it from here. So let's get all this out. Okay, so here we have all the stuff. It's pretty much all out of the box now. And some other stuff. I don't know how to build this, so I'm probably gonna have to read this. Although I don't want to. Cylinder. Is there no manual? Oh, is this it? Oh, here it is. Oh wait, it opens up. Yeah, easy. Oh. Okay, so here's the instruction manual. Here's the instruction manual to build a 3D printer. It looks kind of simple, and I just only say that because there's pictures on it. So yeah, let's start building it. Nut. Big boy. Ta-da! Oh. Oh, it's oily. I did it the wrong way. I hate my life. Ta-da! Okay. No work. Looking pretty good. Wait, there's another X? What the crap? E. Z, and then there's another Z. Z. Looks good right there. And this one, I don't think there was any. I didn't see any instructions, but I assume this one connects to the display. So yeah. It looks like the build is done. I guess I just gotta connect it now. So I guess we're gonna get to connecting it, and hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. That'd be very unfortunate. Well, here goes nothing. And I guess let's turn it on. Oh, it turned on. Wow, it's saying things. I don't know what it means. FR 100%, Ender 3, Ender 3. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. X0, Y question. Oh, it's all question mark. FR 100%, 0%. I guess that's time 00 colon 00. Ender 3 ready. Yeah, I don't know how to use this. I haven't figured out how to use it yet, but I learned how to control it. It's kind of cool. Alright, we got move X. I just move the knob, and then that guy ends up moving. Look. Move. Wow. Pretty cool. Yeah, so I did. What is that on my eye? I don't know. But I did something. We're trying to make it print an X at the moment. As you can see some of the whiteness from the plastic we're melting, which is just white. Apparently I need to like level the board, which is the part that's moving closer to me at the moment. And apparently that's really hard, or really tedious. So we'll be doing that. Okay, so it finished printing the X, and as you can see, it is very well done. Half of it is missing, but you know, you only need the other half. As you can see, I need to fix it some more, so hopefully the next time I print the X, it comes out a lot nicer than this duck face. Alright, this is my second try, and as you can see, you can actually see the white filament, the PLA filament, a lot better now, but it's not really sticking, it's just coming off. But I think that's improvement. I think we are so close. Like, look at this, look at that. It almost looks like an X. We're really close. Just give me like another hour and I think we might have it by then. Okay, so I think it's leveled now, or it's working pretty well. Look at that. Wow, look. Ignore that. But look at those lines. Look. Oh my god, it's a square. Pretty cool. So cool. That's pretty cool. I made a cube. And a quick ad break. So this video is actually sponsored by MO Designs, which is a graphic design company that graphically designs stuff. So if you ever want like a logo or something, then they are your people. I have an Instagram, which is ml.designs1. I'll put that somewhere on the video. So if you want to give them a follow, then follow them there. If you have any commissions, then make sure to send them a DM, direct message, so they can help you out. And once again, thank you MO Designs for sponsoring this video. So I ended up making this cube. As you can see, it has X and has a Z and has a Y on it. It's called a calibration cube, and it's supposed to help. It's meant to help make sure that your printer is printing adequately. And as you can see, my printer, I think it's printing pretty well because I can tell that that's a Z, and that that's an X, and then that's a Y. And I also gave it a little date for its birthday, which was 5/7, 2021. So that's the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a like. If you disliked it, give it a dislike. If you have any comments, then leave a comment down below. And if you want to keep following this channel and see what else I end up doing, then consider subscribing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope to see y'all in the next video.